Hello, in this video, I will be showing you how to log out of Messenger. So again, this is a very easy and quick tutorial. All you have to do is to make sure that you're logged into your Messenger and you're using the latest version of your Messenger. So to start, you just have to tap these three lines on the left side. Okay, tap the three lines here and then look for the gear icon. Now, once you tap this gear icon, you have to scroll down and look for the option that says account center, or let's just say okay, this one, meta account center. Okay, see more in account center, tap this one and it will take you directly to this. Now go to password and security, tap this one, and then you have to click this where you're logged in. Okay, so tap your messenger account, and then here is where your login activity. Okay, so you just have to select any of these options here. If you're using this device, you just have to tap this one. And then as you can see, select devices to log out. So if you tap this, or if there's a lot of devices here, you can tap select all and then click log out. So this is the easiest way on how to log out of Messenger. So I really hope that this video helped you. And if you find this video helpful, please like. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next tutorials.